We've all been there. Tiny buttons, confusing interfaces, and lag that makes you sweat through your palms during a volatile market swing. Not exactly ideal for the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, right? So, what if I told you there might be a smoother, more user-friendly option out there? An app designed specifically for buying, selling, and trading crypto on the go? That's where Gemini comes in. You might have heard of them, a popular crypto exchange known for its security and regulation. But what about their mobile app? Does Gemini even have one, and if so, is it any good? Well, buckle up crypto comrades, because today we're diving deep into the Gemini mobile app. We'll dissect its features, explore its functionalities, and ultimately answer the burning question, is the Gemini app worth your download? First things first, yes, absolutely, Gemini does have a dedicated mobile app available for both iOS and Android devices. You can find it easily on the App Store or Google Play. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Firing up the app, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive interface. No overwhelming charts or complex menus here. Everything is laid out clearly, making it easy to navigate, even for crypto newbies. Right off the bat, you can see an overview of your current holdings, with live market prices displayed conveniently. Want to buy some Bitcoin or explore other popular cryptos like Ethereum or Dogecoin? No problem. The app allows you to buy crypto instantly using your linked bank account or debit card. But Gemini isn't just about buying and holding. If you're a seasoned trader looking to capitalize on market movements, the app offers a built-in trading platform. Here, you can place various order types, set stop-loss limits, and monitor your portfolio performance in real time. Now, security is paramount in the crypto world, and Gemini understands that. Their app boasts robust security features, including two-factor authentication and biometric login options like fingerprint or face recognition. This adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring your hard-earned crypto stays safe. Another cool feature, the Gemini app integrates seamlessly with their Gemini credit card. That's right, you can now earn crypto rewards on your everyday purchases. Imagine swiping your card at the grocery store and getting a fraction back in Bitcoin. Pretty neat, huh? But is everything sunshine and rainbows? Well, no app is perfect. Some users have reported occasional lag during high-volume trading periods. Additionally, the selection of tradable cryptocurrencies on the app might be a tad limited compared to some competitors. However, these seem like minor quibbles in the grand scheme of things. Overall, the Gemini app offers a smooth, secure, and user-friendly experience for anyone looking to buy, sell, or trade crypto on their mobile device. Whether you're a crypto veteran or just dipping your toes into the digital currency pool, the Gemini app is definitely worth considering. It simplifies the process, prioritizes security, and even lets you earn rewards with their credit card program. So, there you have it. The answer to our initial question, yes, Gemini absolutely has a mobile app, and it's a pretty darn good one at that. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto trading.